Hey, this is Mark from Boat Dynasty. Next, I'm going to show you a 2014 Hurricane 2400. Now, this boat's been a part of our boat club here at the marina. It's always been fleet maintained and all the systems work. We've water tested it and it runs like a champion. Let's go look at it. Here she is. It's got a 250 Yamaha fuel injected 4-stroke. Like I said, it's always been fleet maintained and as per Yamaha specifications. It's got 968 hours. Looks like it could use a quick coat of wax. A little fading, but that should come back no problem. Oh yeah. Bimini top. Has a dual stainless steel boarding ladders, one up bow, one in the rear. Let's go see what she looks like inside. Has a telescopic ski tow bar. Nice seating. A sink. Instrumentation. GPS depth finder. Has that helm bolster seat. Makes it nice to stand behind, or you need a little boost. Now this boat has a Coast Guard safety rating of 12 people. And that's what the Coast Guard has deemed this boat to be safe with. Toilet. Place. Little change. You can view more pictures at boatdynasty.com. View a boat history report and let us know if we can give you any more information here from sunny South Florida. God bless you. Over and out.